Welcome to the Edge2Web Getting Started video series. In this video, we are going to show you how to quickly set up a demo environment for AWS IoT SiteWise and Edge2Web Power Tools using the SiteWise Wind Farm demo. Let's start by setting up the Wind Farm simulator for SiteWise. Open the AWS console and navigate to the IoT SiteWise service. In the upper right-hand corner of the page, you'll see a section labeled SiteWise Demo. I'm going to leave the demo resources timeframe at 7 days, but I am going to check the Monitor Resources button. While this is not needed to use Edge2Web Power Tools for monitoring the resources, we will use it to demonstrate a migration capability built into Power Tools. In order for SiteWise Monitor to display data to users, a role must be created with the proper permissions. I am going to click the Permissions button and select a service role called SiteWise Monitor that I already created with the permissions needed for SiteWise Monitor. Next, I am going to click the Create Demo button to start the demo creation. This will take a few minutes to complete. If you haven't already done so, you can use the AWS Marketplace to subscribe to Edge2Web Power Tools so that it is ready for you once the setup completes. The subscription includes a free tier that allows up to 3 users free of charge. Now that the creation has completed the SiteWise demo section, changes and displays buttons for viewing assets and creating portals. Let's take a look at the assets that were created by clicking the View Assets button. There is a root asset called Demo Wind Farm. Opening it displays 4 wind turbine child assets. Selecting an asset displays details about its properties, alarms, and other information. Next, let's open the Monitor portal that was created and view some of the data associated with the assets. The portal contains one dashboard called Demo Wind Farm Dashboard. Let's click the link to open it. This dashboard provides information about the total power being generated by the wind farm. It also provides details about the individual turbines on the wind farm, such as their associated wind speed and blade torque. In a moment, we will migrate this dashboard into Edge2Web Power Tools using an AWS project called IoT App Kit that is bundled with Power Tools. Let's open Edge2Web Power Tools and see our wind farm demo assets and visualize their data in it. I'll open the Asset Management app to view the wind farm assets. On the left side of the page, we see an asset hierarchy. Selecting an asset displays details about its properties, alarms, and other information. I can also group the properties by type. The turbine has all 4 property types: attributes, measurements, metrics, and transforms. Clicking on the graph icon next to a property value displays a pop-up displaying the property values in a time series. I can change the time frame to see more data. To further explore the data, I can click the View and Data Explorer button to open a page designed for data exploration. The Data Explorer opens with the asset and property already selected. On the right-hand side, a time series chart is displayed. Clicking on the View Table tab displays the data in a tabular form and provides a button to download the data in CSV format for further analysis. I can add other assets and properties or create complex formulas for display. The Asset Management app and Data Explorer are a great way to understand your assets and create ad hoc data queries. But your end users are probably going to want a pre-built dashboard for displaying data. Rather than build a new dashboard, let's use the Wind Farm demo components that Edge2Web bundles to demonstrate this functionality. Let's open the Getting Started Help page and click on the link for the Wind Farm demo. This page contains information about the Wind Farm demo and embeds this video. At the bottom of the page is a button for installing the Wind Farm demo components. I'll click that button. Confirm that I want to install the demo components. Now that the components have been installed, let's take a look at the Power Tools dashboard it provides. I'll open the Dashboards menu to open a dashboard. I'll select the wind turbine overview, which was just installed. This dashboard can display information about any wind turbine, so I will select one of them to display. The dashboard loads and displays detailed information about the selected turbine. Let's change to a longer time frame to see more details. I'll select the last 12 hours. There are a number of different widgets demonstrated on this dashboard. In the upper left is an alarm display, which shows the state of wind speed alarm. Users can open the alarm display and look at the history of the alarm by clicking the Show History button. To the right of the alarm display is a timeline displaying the wind speed as a state. The timeline reflects wind speed thresholds as colors. Higher wind speeds are reflected as brighter state colors, until the speed is above a critical level, which could cause problems in the turbine. That state is displayed in red. Below the timeline are wind speed tiles using the same state colors. There is also a set of tiles displaying information about the turbine's blades rotations per minute. Below the tiles, there is a time series displaying the wind speed and rotations per minute for the selected time frame. On the bottom left is a scorecard indicating the power generated by the asset as well as the amount of time spent in the overdrive state during the selected time frame. The scorecard can also be opened in a dedicated scorecard page to display the scorecards for all of the turbines on the wind farm. Here is the scorecard display for all 4 turbines on the wind farm, providing an overview of their production. The sort control in the upper left can be used to sort the scorecards by their power production. We mentioned that SiteWise Monitor dashboards can be migrated to IoT App Kit. Let's migrate the Monitor dashboard now. From the IoT App Kit builder, I'll select the Migrate tool button. The wind farm portal and project are selected, and I see the dashboard available for migration. I'll check the box next to the dashboard and click Migrate Dashboards. The migration only takes a few seconds. Once the dashboard has been migrated, I can open it in the builder using the Open tool on the toolbar. From here, I can continue to edit the dashboard and make it accessible to Power Tools users. This concludes our Getting Started video for the SiteWise Wind Farm demo.